Hi everyone, this is Jackson from Yarbo. So today we're going to dive into the Yarbo Tow Hitch. We'll go over its key features, how we're going to use it, and the various attachment supports. Alright, let's get started. The Yarbo Tow Hitch design is to handle a gross trailer up to 1.75 tons, and which is about like a Tesla Model 3. Yeah, and also for the optimal performance, we recommend the height of the hitch between 20 to 25 centimeters, but don't go over 30. And now, an important thing to know is that we don't provide a ton weight spec. I'll put a picture on the screen. You guys can take a picture, which is gonna tell you what is ton weight. So due to the Yarbo design, the tow hitch is at the back. So if there's too much weight to pull, it will have a seesaw effect, making it unstable. So the tow hitch is compatible with 3/4 inches shank trailer bolts, which are typically 1 7/8 inches or 2 inches in diameter. These size support weights ranging from 1 to 1.75 tons, and there's a measurement like guides. I'm gonna put it on the screen, which is gonna tell you how to measure your trailer bolts, and you can take a screenshot if you want. So the Yarbo Tow Hitch is not just for trailer. You can actually attach so many additional attachments. Like the previous live stream we told you guys. For example, we have the dump cart, we have the spreader, long roller, detacher, leaf sweeper, drag harrow, and aerator, and even a camper, but we don't have any camper right now. So if you do have a camper, please make sure your camper weighs under 1.75 tons. And now let's see Yarbo in action. So first up, you have to hook up with your attachment. So you're gonna use this one, and they actually come with the attachment. And find a hole. It's right here. Step in it, and you're all set. And I'm gonna use my phone. I'm gonna control the Yarbo through the app. And Yarbo, let's get it work. So the Yarbo Tow Hitch is not only for your yard work, but also it adds a lot of fun to your outdoor activity. For example, in our promotional video, that Yarbo towing created drinks to the party host. And Yarbo can even transform into a small carriage to pull people around. So Yarbo is always talking about customizable, designable. So we just give you the core, you do whatever you want. All right, so that's all for today's video. So we've covered all the key features, specifications, compatibilities for the Yarbo Tow Hitch. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, share this video. I'll see you guys next time.